adding and deleting custom contact fields on your Wix website. Today in this tutorial, we are going to take a look at adding custom fields to contacts, renaming a custom contact field, and deleting a custom contact field also. So from your dashboard, go to Contacts and CRM and click on the contact list. Here you can view, edit and manage all of your contacts. To add a custom field to an existing contact, select the contact and the contact panel will show on the right of the screen. Find the Edit Contact button below the contact name and this will show the contact details. At the bottom left of the pop-up, you can add a new field and this is where you can find the custom field option. Select Custom Field. The field type can be text, number, date or URL format and can have any name you choose. Click Add and then Save. Note that any custom field you add is added to all of the contacts in your contact list, but you don't have to fill this in for every contact. You can also do this by selecting the More Actions drop-down and click Manage Custom Fields. Click Add New Field and choose the field type and name, then click Add and then Done to finish. When you have added a custom field, you have the option to edit the field name by clicking on the button beside the name, and the button beside this allows you to delete the custom field. I hope this has been helpful. For more information, check out the ProfileTree YouTube channel where you will find more video tutorials on Wix just like this one. Thanks for watching.